Hey guys, Tim with Defense Mechanisms. I want to take a few minutes today to talk to you guys about our new Slick Mount MOLLE. Currently sized for belt applications to use with belt pouches. So I'm going to grab a belt, and somewhere I have a little pouch. This is our breaching tool holder. This is something you would use instead of our one wrap belt loops, or instead of trying to MOLLE mount this. Now, MOLLE mounting to belts is already difficult, especially, something like this is only 2 inches tall. So this is going to give us a solution to hard mount this to the belt in a way that is a lot more durable and secure than one wrap. Now, realistically, one wrap is incredibly durable and secure, and as long as you do basic maintenance. If your one wrap belt loops are getting beat up, maybe replace them. They're very affordable. 5 years in, maybe just get a new belt loop. But I made this specifically for breaching applications where breachers are carrying heavy tools, shotguns, things like that. They wanted just a little more security and confidence that what they put on their belt was going to stay there and be on there, for years to come. So that's what this is about, the Slick Mount MOLLE. So this comes in a 4-pack. We're going to use 2 of these to mount this breaching tool holder to this belt. And this belt is skinny marketing guy belt with nothing on it. So I'm just going to pick a spot. But obviously you would want to pick the prime real estate, like where it needs to go on your belt. Everything that we ship with hardware is going to come with extra hardware. So 1 extra post, screw, washer, and rubber spacer. So I'm just going to get those out of my life. And then I'm only doing 2 of these. So I'm going to get these other hardware out of my life. So all I need, 2 screws with washers, 2 rubber spacers, 2 posts with washers, and 1 screwdriver. So I'm lazy and I don't send this bent. You have to bend it yourself. And you could just kind of eyeball it and push it down in half. The way that I think is the easiest, however, is to just stick a screw in one end with a washer and a post in the other end, gently push them together, and then just screw this together. What this is going to do is it's going to hold my ends together in a way that guarantees they're lined up very good. Right? If I need to, I can push against the table so that they're all lined up. Now this is going to hold, you can see it kind of wanted to bend off center. But now that I've got them screwed together, I can just push on this a little bit. And what do you know it? It's bent perfectly straight. Now, this is 1 extra step, but I saved you a bunch of money because nobody on my staff wanted to do it. So I'm trusting that you can handle that. We'll see. I'm sure that we'll have plenty of questions on how to bend something. But if you guys can handle that, it's going to keep it cheaper for us a little bit. We're lazy, just like you guys. We don't want to bend it either. You can see that this one didn't come out perfect, but I promise you it doesn't actually matter. In fact, me showing you that it's not perfect probably helps when you call me later and tell me we didn't bend it perfect. And I'm going to tell you, just like on my video, that it doesn't matter. So this is a pretty straightforward solution. You stick one end down the pouch you want to mount. If you're mounting something that's taller than 2 inches, like this is 2 inches, it matches a 2-inch belt, very nice. If you're mounting something taller than 2 inches, just stick it out at the 2-inch point. Not super complicated. Then we're going to go ahead and we'll just do both at the same time here. We'll stick these both down. We'll choose the spot on our belt. And on our mech belt, we can run these through the gap on the inner. And now we can screw them together. I'm just going to hold 1 post. I'm going to drop a spacer in there. And I'm going to grab a screw and washer. And all I'm going to try to do at this point is just grab a couple threads to get that holding together so that it's not falling apart on me while I'm working on the next one. Next one, same thing. 1 post with washer, 1 spacer, 1 screw with washer. Same deal, I'm going to bite a few threads. Now, you got a couple options. You could just tighten this up as it is and call it good. Totally fine, you can totally do that. If you do that, there is a chance for a little bit more movement. And so what I like to do is, while everything is still loose, I like to push it down into the belt as I tighten it up. And these slotted posts, you can get a tool to hold them, but typically I find that just pushing on them with my finger is enough to keep them from spinning. I'm just going to push this whole assembly down into the belt and tighten it up. The rubber spacer, in the middle does not need to be crushed into oblivion. It's going to give you some tension back on these screws and just give you a little bit of positive pressure as it springs back against the screw pressure. But if you want the most reliable bomb-proof forever mounting solution, make sure you add a little bit of medium strength thread locker to this. I don't mind having the screw or the post. It's kind of going to feel the same against me. So I have the screws on the side that's going to touch my body. You could switch that to the posts. For this application, I'm dropping a breeching tool in here. And so I don't want anything sticking up above. But if you were installing something where you didn't want the extra part from the mount below your belt, you could just mount it the other way so it was above your belt. It would all work the same. Everything about it would work the same. It's a pretty straightforward little product. Most of the time the one wrap fingers are all you need, but if you need a more durable, more bomb-proof, more secure solution to mount some things to your belt, this is the answer for you. If you wish that we made these for 3-inch tall MOLLE mounting surfaces or 5-inch tall MOLLE mounting surfaces, you should bombard customer service with emails about that, contact@defensemechanisms.com. Your pestering, bothering, and constant harassment is what leads us to make new products, and we really appreciate it. This is absolutely a product for a customer based on their needs and concerns, and they wanted a more durable solution, so here it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to reach out about this product or anything else, contact@defensemechanisms.com. Comment below. Hit us up on any social platform. You guys know how to do this. We love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.